Hello, what's going on, guys and boys?
We are whispering.
I don't know.
No idea why.
What's going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Dude, I can say that. Dude,
You're
sorry. Right. What's going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a different type of video. We're going to be kind of working on the car. We're not really working on the car, and we're talking really fast.
Yeah. I just want to get it over and done with.
Just want to get this over, yeah. So we just do bits of the car. But today we're going to be working on Matti's car again. You boys and girls seem to like this video, so we love churning out these videos. I know it's been a bit of a while, and I apologise for that, but there's so many things behind the scene that have happened. Yeah, today we start watching Facebook videos about how to remove scratches, dude.
Sorry.
Today we're going to be reviewing a product. A company reached out to me called OBD Reader. OBDeleven, sorry. Nice. Which is this little thing here. I didn't really know much about OBD readers at all. I know you can buy them kind of on the internet and like on eBay and stuff. If you are interested in this product that we do review today, again, the links are all in the description. I'm actually super hyped to do this as well. We've had a bit of a play with it just so we can kind of understand how it works. But let me give you a quick rundown of what it does. So this, yes, it does read your car's faults and stuff like that. That's what we've been using kind of behind the scenes on Matti's car to understand more about the car and what is going on, so we have more of an idea on the videos. What are you doing? So I don't want to throw shade on this company, but this is Crystal. This is similar to what this is, but this is literally like every single car. It's crazy. But this one only does up to,
well, from 2005.
Whereas this product here can do literally every single car. We've used it on Matti's car. Your car's 2001, isn't it? Years. Okay, so yeah, this product is an OBD reader, so it shows you the codes like we said before, but it allows you to change features on the car. If it is a bit of an older car, some of the features you cannot change, but such as the newer cars, say for example an Audi A6, you can plug this in and you can use the credits that you get given. There's a code kind of on the side. I'm not going to show you guys that because that is my code, but yeah, there's a code that you can get on the side and you can buy credits. They're really cheap as well. Again, links in the description for you to buy the credits or whatever, and you can have such things as like a needle sweep as soon as you start the car, which is quite cool, which only kind of RS6s and stuff like that have. There's also other things you can do, such as, say for example, you buy some new wheels for your A6 or A4, whatever, you put it in reverse and you curb the wheel, and that's pretty shit. Like, no one wants that. Like, that's literally the worst pain ever. Yeah, you can do such things as when you put it in reverse, your mirrors tilt back so you could see the curve and you will not crash into anything, which is pretty cool. We're going to show you guys a kind of more about this car. Obviously you've seen kind of the mechanical side of it, but you've not seen kind of the software side of it, like what is actually wrong and what codes it's throwing up. So we're going to show you this, guys. We're going to do a full review of this product because I absolutely love it. Again, shout out to OBDeleven for not sponsoring this video but giving us this to review. Again, this is completely unbiased. I've not been paid to say it's good or anything like that, so let's do this. Matti's just putting his away his RSC. Literally this. Why have you got hand san? Oh. What was that?
Oh, it was actually the tip of a ball.
Oh. Okay.
We store these nice and safely in here. Oh, it's broken. Oh, shout out to Greg Boost for this wire.
20 minutes later.
I have so many questions about the things that are in here. Lick it, 20 quid.
Smell it.
Nah, dude, that's stinging. Oh, look how slimy your hands are, bro. It's a site that probably you guys have seen before.
Nice and cold in here because
we have been. Yeah, it's still freezing in England. You can see by my face I look like Rudolph. Like, instead of my nose, it's just everywhere. But yeah, so this comes in obviously this little container, and this is the thing. This is literally the only thing you get. There you go. So you've got your, I'm not going to show you guys, but you've got your activation code just here, and then also if you buy the pro version, you get your, come on, focus made. That's how you get your credits that you can change, obviously, the things I was talking about before. But the only drawback to this product at the minute is you have to have an Android. So I've borrowed my girlfriend's Samsung tablet. which is, I don't have anything Android, so it's a bit of a shame, so I've had to borrow this piece of crap. It's literally the slowest thing ever. It's like Windows 1, mate.
It's Android, it's not Windows. It's Windows.
Oh, dude, oh, sorry, bro. It's like Android 1. Is that?
It's actually the WP3204.
What?
Running version 3.2 of the updated BIOS.
Whoa, what?
Install this app, ignore all the other shit on here.
What do you have?
Shout out. What the f? Wait, what the hell is this? And I've got mommy new baby on it. Download this little thing here, OBDeleven, and it comes up. But what you want to do as well, on the car side, you just get this. You plug it straight into your OBD reader, which is somewhere here. And then you should get a red light. And obviously, you have to turn your ignition on.
Remix to ignition.
So, a fine example of this car is it has the engine light as well that stays on. It's got the bulbs and it's got like a brake problem. So, yeah, if we go into the software, obviously you need to sign up and all the rest of it. But once you're signed up with your email and use your activation code that you get inside this box, you can go onto this and then you kind of pick what your car is and whatever. And then once you plug that in, you need to obviously make sure this is on the internet. This is tethered to my phone. So once it's done, you just hit the connect button. It does take a few seconds for it to connect. So now obviously it's connected to the car. Obviously you've got no problems as of yet, but we all know, boys and girls, that this car has a lot of problems. We're just going to click the scan button and that's going to go through all of the appropriate things. You just see down here, it gives you a drop down of things that is going through, and you've got your scanning probe. Seriously? Thank you. So you've got a check engine light, which we know about, the ABS light, which isn't on there, which potentially could be to do with that thing there, we're not 100% sure. And then we've just got a warning light for good measure. Dude, this thing keeps locking every 5 seconds. Yeah, boys, so yeah, now we've scanned the car, we've got 4 million faults at the top, as you guys can see. But yeah, once it's done, you can either hold this function here, which will clear all your codes, or
so your first one, which is the your info, tells your info about your car, your mileage. Obviously you have your apps and stuff where you can...
So this apps here is where I was talking to you guys outside the car saying about you can do the needle sweep and stuff. I'll try and get some footage at a later date. And obviously you've got gauges as well. You can use the gauges that are on here. Because it goes through the OBD reader, it monitors everything. So you could literally look at the intake air temperature, and then you've got your engine RPMs as well, just to see if you potentially had something with your rev counter.
Same with the speed. You
yeah,
put your speed
same with the
on
speed.
it.
So if your speedo was potentially playing up, you could plug that in, take it for a drive, and click on the vehicle speed, and it will let you know whether or not you're doing it right. Control units. These, boys and girls, these are the ones that we've been looking for. So, I think with the greens, I don't really know what they represent, but I know the reds obviously represent a fault, and the blacks here just mean nothing. So there is no problems with our transmission, aka our gearbox. But yeah, we have one with the engine, which is the engine management light on here. Obviously it doesn't really give us any feedback on here, but whereas here we can go onto this and it will give us a bit of a breakdown there. We can go to the second one down, which is faults, and then, boys and girls, we can come across the actual faults on them. So these are the two faults obviously we're having at the minute. So you've got green. Oh, so green represents a malfunction, whereas the red, I think the red is for a static. So static means it's there all the time, whereas intermittent obviously doesn't happen all the time. So there is your codes. You've also as well got this Google button here. You can click that. I'm not going to click it because this thing is literally slow as anything. It's slower than Matty getting out of bed on a Sunday morning. Nice. We'll go back to another fault. Let's do, obviously we know we have this warning light on here as well. So let's go to the brakes. because that is where it's coming from. And obviously you've got your live data and all this other stuff. You've got basic settings, and I'll let you guys kind of figure it out if you do end up buying this product. Again, link is in the description. Go and get it, because this will be mint. This is so good for somebody that wants to like buy their boyfriend something or buy their girlfriend something. If you guys are into cars and you don't have an OBD reader and you have a bit of a later car so you guys can do all that needle sweep shit, buy this, because it's good. This is good.
The website, the link in description, actually has a Christmas sale, so do take a look.
Do take a look, boys and girls.
Yeah, boy.
If we go to the faults page, we can go here, and it is giving us a longitude acceleration center, and then it is literally giving us a code, and it is telling us whether it is intermittent and static, and this one is intermittent, which again you can research by clicking this little button here. But yeah,
there's actually a way. I don't know the way. However, you can put your email into this, scan a car, and then press the button, and it sends you all the codes and all the like stuff for the codes to your email.
Oh, I've not seen that.
It is on there.
So yeah, boys and girls, if you are excited about this product just as much as we are, again, I don't really like to plug anything that's going to be shit, but yeah, this is really good. The guys as well behind the OBD reader, the OBDeleven, they are constantly updating their product to be able to make it as good as possible. Like, I cannot rate this product enough. It's helped us out a lot of times, kind of narrowing down what is exactly wrong with this car, because there is a shit ton wrong with this car.
No, I don't say that. It's alright, it's a good car.
It only needs a few £1,000 spent on it. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. This is a video that I wanted to make for a while.
Oh.
Is that tea?
Yeah.
It's definitely a Sprite Zero. Matt is on a diet now, apparently. Matt is on a diet. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, this has been me, and that's been Matty, and that was our POV. This is my set, boys.
Say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane. I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no